What is going on, guys? Carter Payne back on another video, and today we're actually going to be working on the Miata again with Heinz. But first, we have to go get a sticker from somebody you guys might know, but you might not know. So let's go ahead and get that real quick. Look a little Heinz, bruh. All right, bruh, don't stall it. Dude, why are you acting like you don't know how to drive right now?
No, I'm just saying because the car's low. Your sister's car. Oh, I'm good.
This dude's so close. You may help you?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude.
All right, you're good. You're full lock. Look at that, Heinz, you dad. So smooth.
It's let's go.
Yes, sir. Hot Boy Gray. Let's get into it. Look at that shit.
Oh yeah.
I can actually put the race car in the garage. Look how clean we got it. So we got the bike, the purple car, tools, the impact, and we're gonna put the Hot Boy Gray sticker on. And then look how much stuff we put in here. Okay. The Hot Boy Gray Manny sticker. We met him before he was like actually famous. If you guys actually are like true fans of him, you know that he used to have
300ZX.
Yeah, he used to have a 300ZX.
It was sick.
It was sick.
It was
So
wow.
we got the Peking Manny. Super sick. We're gonna put on the E36.
Put it on that.
So I'm thinking about putting it, it's gonna go like right there.
First thing we gotta do is clean.
So boom. See? Stickers don't stick with that. You guys wanna see where I cut my head? You guys see that?
I'm gonna clean your whole window.
I cut the shit out of my head. The Manny! Oh, that looks so funny, bro. We got the Manny. So mint. So we're trying to figure out a way to mount this bumper.
So we're using zip ties. Can you see that? He's zip tying it to a control arm.
So we did the zip tie technique to the low control arm like we had last time, but this time these are bigger zip ties. Last time we used like really small ones. So this should hold up a lot better.
It's not going anywhere.
See how like this fender is not painted where it ends? So we're thinking of, we're gonna paint it black, but we don't know what color to do. So we're gonna go spray it on something in here and see which one looks better. Gloss black, matte black. And see which one we like more.
So we decided to go with the matte black, the one on the right. It's matte.
Color.
I am talking. I said it is matte black.
Yeah.
And there it is in Carter's hands. All right, so we're painting this line right here to match it with the other black, and we're redoing all of this all the way down.
It's probably not going to be a perfect match to the paint,
but it's going to be better than what it looks like now.
Yes.
And then we might do the mirrors in a little bit. They're a little scuffed, and then we might do these liners. I so we laid tarp down, and we got
it all taped up. So now we're going to have to wash this a little bit, spray paint away. Thank you, brother. All right, so this is going to be the first couple of coats of the paint. I won't film every coat, so I'll show you like the end product after this, and hopefully it looks way better than before. Ow, I just got bit by. But yeah.
Hey, my she's already. I got some brand new taste. We got some brand new red. Pushing this shit real fast.
Okay, so I applied like 3 or 4 coats maybe. So now we're just gonna take it off.
That looks so good. So we're gonna move it into the middle of the road right there, so we don't have to tarp it, and so there's not as many ants because there's ants all over the place. And we're gonna finish up this line at the bottom, and then we're gonna come into the other side because the other side's also pretty scuffed. There's a lot of paint scratches, and this whole door just needs to be repainted. We're good though. All right, so we're just spray painting this first line because there were like nicks and scratches, and we want it to match the other fender's color.
we got this side of the car all painted with the bottom of the trim. So we're gonna go ahead and take off that tape and see what it looks like. Hopefully it'll look better than before. And we also have the other side taped up, which you guys can see by yours truly, the Heinz McLaughlin. So while I'm taking the paint off, I think you want to start spray painting that?
Okay.
Gotta stay. Get up on my face. Bro, that shit looks so good. It looks so much better. I'm going to take a little before and after just to show you guys how much better it looks with the painted little, you know, accents.
Hey, you spit her cheeks like Sandy. She getting handy. I ate that booty like candy. I might just fuck on your brand. Then I'ma pop me a pledge and don't fuck with Andy. Okay. Low enough, you can climb this puff. Got your girl long tall when I need to bust a nut. Pulled up to her crib, but she wouldn't let me hit. 'Cause my dick's way too small and I'm ugly as fuck. I might go dumb, just like I'm Patrick. 3 girls at once. Call it a hat trick. Get that bitch over. Now she's facing backwards. I might fuck her numb, but I ain't even cast. Goddamn.
All right, we're at the stage of where we can take the tape off. Heinz, don't actually touch the paint, but just take the tape off. You feel me, Beretta?
Oh.
Hella straight, bro. Good stuff. All right, so I don't have the right bit to take off the mirror. It's like a Torx 40 or something. So we're just going to tape around it and like cover all this up. Just do it that way. Is that the Liberty?
Liberty gang.
The Liberty gang.
Liberty gang.
So we got one of the mirrors painted. I actually really like it. It looks pretty good. There's a couple runs here and there, but you know, what do you expect? And so now we're just gonna do the other one and then we'll be done. And then we're gonna take this thing for a nice little cruise. I'm thinking that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this one. And we're gonna go take it for a spin. But hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy and Carter Payne checking out. Love you guys. Take it easy.